How to play hardcore on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to play hardcore on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So let's begin playing the hardcore mode by following the steps below. First, make sure you update the game so the latest preview loads properly. After Minecraft for Windows loads, click on the play preview button. Then navigate to the create new screen. Here in general settings, the hardcore mode toggle appears below the difficulty settings. Toggle it on, but remember that all other settings will now be inaccessible. Remember that you cannot turn off the hardcore mode after you have created the world. If you die, it will be the game over, meaning you won't be able to go into the survival or creative mode anymore. You'll be stuck in spectator mode, so you can only observe your world and make it no further changes. Be very careful if you want to keep this world around. Now, create a new world. The first thing you will see is that your hearts look like a little different, which signifies you're playing in hardcore mode. Now, it's up to you to do all the Minecrafty things and not die. Though, if you do die, you can select the respawn button, but you will still end up in the spectator mode. The hardcore worlds are marked with the red hardcore tag in the world section, so you know exactly which ones have it before loading onto them. So in this very simple step, you could play hardcore on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.